everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to update my little craft corner here with some pegboards that I got from IKEA. And as you can see, it's a very small corner with very little wall space, so I don't have a whole lot to work with, but hopefully the pegboards will be very helpful in that sense of storage and, you know, keeping all my craft supplies together. So yes, let's get started. So these are the pegboards I got from IKEA, and it's from the line called Skadis, I don't know. But it comes with different sizes, and I think I got the 18 by 18. I got 2 of them. And with this line of, or Skadis line, it comes with all kinds of accessories that you can hook onto the pegboard, like this one. This one's a cup. And I also got several trays, storage trays. So we'll install that also. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna rearrange the position of the shelves and the cups based on what I'm gonna put in them. But this is what it looks like so far, and I probably will order some hooks and some more shelves. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes once I put stuff on there. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Hi everyone, so this is what my pegboard looks like. This is the final look, and let me just get a closer view for you guys. So I did get some hooks to hang some of the tools on my pegboard, and I didn't end up getting extra trays since I realized that I don't need any, but I did get this, they call it the letter holder, this thing, which I'm using to put my ruler, my cutting mat, and also my wipes. Okay, so overall I love these pegboards and I highly recommend it. It's a great way to reorganize your craft area and fairly inexpensively. And I really love the fact that you have an option to attach it directly to your desk using these hardwares, which is sold separately, by the way. That way you don't have to drill holes into your wall. And if you ever decide you want to move your craft desk to another location, you can, you know, move the pegboards with it. So, you know, I really like the flexibility. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. And I hope this gave you guys some ideas for your craft area. Yep, but other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!